Today we are going to study about Morchella species, which is also known as Guchichyau. Morchella is commonly known as Morel mushrooms. It is a type of edible fungus that belongs to the Escumicota division. These mushrooms are highly prized for their unique appearance, flavor, and culinary as well as medicinal value. Morels have a distinctive honeycomb or sponge-like cap. These are typically found in spring season in various habitats such as forest, woodlands, grasslands, etc. Now we are going to study about harvesting technique and post-harvesting techniques of Morchella species. The harvesting and post-harvesting of Morchella include the following steps. Selection. Proper identification of the mushroom is the responsibilities of the harvesters. Mushroom should smell fresh and appear without any spots. Storage. Wipe the mushroom gently with moist cotton cloth to remove dark spots and insects. Don't wash the mushroom before storage. Refrigerate the mushroom between 34°F to 35°F. Then wrap them with a paper bag. Dried mushrooms can be kept up to 3 months in room temperature. Cook the mushroom thoroughly before eating. Chemical constituents. Morchella mushroom contain very active compounds and phytochemicals which mainly include phenolic compound, tocopherols, ascorbic acid, vitamin D, amino acids, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. Uses. Morchella are good source of iron, copper, vitamin D, phosphorus, manganese, vitamin B5, fibers, proteins, and magnesium. It has an antiviral, antioxidant, immune regulatory, and anti-tumor growth activity that helps to prevent the body from various health problems. It also helps to treat arthritis, anemia, hyperthyroidism. It helps to enhance mood, treat liver diseases, cure diarrhea, support vision, and maintains cholesterol level. Traditionally, Morchella are used to treat indigestion, shortness of breath, general body weakness, etc. In Asia, morels are used to produce enzymes that are used as a food preservative and to upgrade its nutritional value. Trade issues and market chain related to Morchella. In Nepal, large amount of Morchella is collected from Jumla district. Each and every local inhabitant of the district is involved in collecting the fungus to uplift their socio-economic status and meet their daily needs. Due to over and unscientific harvesting, deforestation, habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation, the Morchella is becoming rare every year. Local people sell the morels to the local trader. Then these traders transport it to the major cities of Nepal and India, and then the Morchella is converted to different products and sold to the consumers.